all of this was caused by the hurricane from yesterday. Look around. Look at this. These guys are cleaning the beach. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miles and currently I'm on the island of Providenciales, Turks and Caicos Islands. It is hurricane season and I decided to make a little vlog for you guys today. I will be going around and show you guys the weather and the beach and stuff like that, and yeah, and see how it is like during hurricane. Alright, we made it here at the bike park. By the way guys, it's super windy, so yeah, let's walk down to the beach and see how it is. Alright, this is the park. Nobody's here today. I can see like 3 people on the beach. It looks like they're tourists. Actually, we have to go. Look, all the sea. Look at all the sea trash. Look at this, man. To be honest, the ocean is kind of quiet though. I would swim. It's super windy, boy. Can you hear the waves splashing? The sun is actually coming out a little bit. Sky, it's not that bad. The sky is kind of like a blue grayish. It's like gray type of blue. Look how dirty the beach is during this time around. Look at this. Look at these. Look at this, bro. Alright guys, it's time to go to the next location. This was the kids park or the bike park beach. So yeah, let's go to a different one. This is one of the entrance to the beach. There is another one over there. There is a small playground with a few swings on it. Alright, before I leave, let me go try to swim. It's been a long time. Hey, I'm at the second location now. If you know, you know. This is Key West. This entrance is by beaches. Look at the floor, man. All the leaves. Look at that. Yeah, it's gonna take a minute to clean. This is the hotel. Even though this green thing that they had, the hurricane mess it up. Look, there's this big hole. Look at this big hole. Look. Before it was like this. Now it's down. Look, it's down, boy. And you can see inside the resort as well. Nobody here today. Let's have a walk. Let's see the damage that the hurricane has done. That's the same thing we find on the other beach. Those seaweed. Let's take a walk down that way. There are a lot of families outside the resort enjoying the strong wind. Guys are cleaning the beach. I got wet. Damn. This was a nice walk. Let's head back. This water is crazy. The waves are crazy, man. My old pants wet out. Although the waves are strong, you still have kids in the water swimming, enjoying themselves. Walking on this beach was a bad idea. My whole pants got wet. I had a long pants on. My whole pants got wet. Let me show you guys my pants. Look. Look at this. Look at this. Look. My whole feet, bro. My whole pants got dirty, bro. Alright, this is our last location. This is the Siboney entrance. Alright. You have the Siboney Hotel on your left and the restaurant on your right. Look at the water, bro. Look at this. By the way, this beach connected to Grace Bay beach. All of this was caused by the hurricane from yesterday. Look around. All the leaves. 360 view. This is the Siboney Boutique Hotel. If you're here visiting the island, you can also use this entrance. If you want to go to the beach, this is one of the entrances that you can take. It is a public entrance. Anybody can get in and just, you know, use the beach. And all the beaches in Turks and Caicos are public beach, which means that they are free of charge. You can just pull up and enjoy. Look at all those seaweeds. Look like we're gonna be having some sort of party going on later over here. The sun is out now. This is Grace Bay Beach, and it's like a long strip going all the way down. We also have the boys over here cleaning up the beach. Guys, if you made it this far, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below or if anything you want to see next. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.